Hello students, today I'm going to discuss with you two letters. So the first letter is to the editor of a newspaper about street begging. We'll write the address as to the editor, The Tribune, Chandigarh. Subject is evils of street begging. So we'll start as Sir. Kindly allow me to point out the evils of street begging prevailing in India. I shall feel highly grateful if you publish my views in the columns of your esteemed newspaper. The evils of street begging are posing a great threat to the social image of the country. Begging is a blot on the fair name of the country. Beggars can be seen roaming about the streets in India. They move from door to door, they carry begging bowls, and they try to excite the religious feelings of the people. They expose their limbs to excite the pity of the onlookers. Begging has a lot of ills. Beggars are parasites on the society. They have made this their profession. They also teach their children the tricks of the trade. Such beggars should be done away with. People should discourage begging by refusing to give alms to the beggars and try to control this menace. Thanking you, yours faithfully, XYZ. So the next letter that I'm going to talk about is letter to the editor about rising prices. So we'll write the address as to the editor, the Indian Express, Chandigarh. Subject is complaint against rising prices. So we'll write as Sir, kindly allow me to point out the rising prices of essential commodities. I shall be highly obliged if you kindly publish my views by sparing me a column in the esteemed daily. The rising prices of the essential commodities has become a big issue. The daily necessities of life are becoming costlier day by day. It's very difficult to go in the market and buy wheat, flour, rice, pulses, sugar, milk, and other necessities. It is because the prices of these necessities have reached newer heights. The steep rise in prices has severely hit the poor and the middle class. The middle class is under a big burden. The government must realize the plight of the common man. Big businessmen and hoarders should not store things in their godowns. They should not create artificial shortages in the market. Fair price depots should be set up. Shopkeepers and traders should be ordered to put up the price of list of essential commodities. Black marketeers as well as the hoarders should be sternly dealt with. The common man should be given respite. People should understand the value of simple living and high thinking. They must check the problem of rising prices. The government must help the people of the country. Every step must be taken to check the rise in prices. Thanking you, yours faithfully, XYZ. Thank you so much.